Assalamu alaikum, I'm Amini Mizzi from Morocco. Wish everyone is having a great time, safe and well-being.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdurrahman Rashad Ali from Egypt, and Ramadan Kareem and good day, guys.
Hello everyone, Ramadan Mubarak, and I hope everyone is in the best of health. Here is Hasht Muqbil Al-Naeem from Yemen, first year student in University Technology Malaysia, Faculty of Computing Software Engineering. I'm in Team Juara. Enjoy the video.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Salim Amar from Section 5. Hope you all doing well and enjoy our video. University students suffer from many problems and difficulty moments in this stage of their lives. One of the most famous problems facing university students is stress, as they are exposed to peer stress more than the others due to the university study system that may plunge the student into many homeworks, assignments, projects, and exams. And the accumulation of these requirements often lead the student to get stressed. That's why our group conducts a survey to study the cases of stress experienced by students due to their studies, as we want to know the reason behind their stress and how do they deal with it. To conduct the survey, Google Form was chosen as the data collection medium. Also, our language was chosen to visualize the data we got from our survey. Our team defined it as human activity based on the intellectual electronic forms and the investigation of problems that students encounter in their university life. The primary purpose of conducting the survey are discovery, interpretation, and development of methods and solutions to the stress that students have to face daily in their life of university. Our target sample of population are UTM students in different faculties. Our survey relies on questions about personal information provided over the internet. This survey provides personal information and theories for the explanation of the stress and the depression among students attending UTM. It makes practical solution possible according to our Dr. Shirin Haslim Binti Husbi. Survey project is a way to systematically solve the topic problems. The survey methodology in the present study deal with personal information design, data collection methods, sampling methods, and analysis and interpretations.
As we can see here, STEAM and LEAF represent various ages of students. We have 29.07% of participants who are 18 and 19 years old. Also, most of the data represents 68.6% ranging between 20 to 28 years old. Moreover, a participant age in 31 corresponds to 1.16%. In addition, another person is 46 years old, symbolizing 1.16%. By looking at the percentages, we can confidently say that the targeted group is between 18 to 28 years old. The remaining 2.32% considered as outliers. For the following bar chart, 22.6% males and 41.7% females of university students prefer to deal with stress by sleeping, where 16.1% of males and 33.3% females turn to God through praying. Moreover, 19.4% of males and 16.7% females listen to music. In addition, only 1.6% of males and 8.3% females resort to diet. Also, 12.9% of males prefer eating, another 8.1% workout to clear their minds, and more 4.8% use drugs to deal with stress, where 14.5% have other methods to face their stress. As a conclusion, the most commonly solution used among college students to deal with stress is sleeping, since it helps to rest their minds. This dot plot graph shows the stress rate of students out of 5, where 1 means relaxed and 5 means extremely stressed. 90.77% of them choose 5, expressing they were extremely stressed. 30.23% choose 4, which means stressed. Also, 33.72% picked 3, expressing sometimes they feel stressed. For rarely feeling stressed, they indicated by 2, they were 13.95%. For relaxed students who selected 1 represent 2.33%. Therefore, most of students suffer from high academic stress, since the majority is higher than 3.
Hello, I'm going here to talk about my first paragraph, and it's about box plot for contact hours. You see, it is possible to create a box plot using earlier version of Excel. However, this is box plot represent for contact hours, gathering data on the number of students present of the different faculties in stress. The box plot describes the distribution. As we can see, it's oriented horizontally. Let's start with something that we know, and this is the median. As we can call it the second quarter, so let's indicate that the median number of the student is about the halfway between 0 and 40, which is the distance between Q1 and Q3. Sort of the middle is 50%, which is also interquarter range is about 15 hours. The minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 40. The first quarter is 15 and the third quarter is 25. And we can easily see that we have 3 quarter outlier at 50, 60 and 70. The graphs provide information stress last among UTM students. It is measured in numbers overall. It can be seen that both stresses last between 24 minutes and 45 to 2 hours are increased as number of duration, but remained at a higher rate throughout this time. On the other hand, we can see the stress last starting to drop dramatically at the end of duration period between 6 hours and above, as well as it is quite high number for students who take long time to call themselves in the duration period 2 to 6 hours.
And to conclude, I would like to say that based on our survey, we have collected 86 samples of data, which contribute 30 response from Faculty of Computing student, 26 response from Faculty of Electrical student, 18 student from Faculty of Civil Engineering, 8 student from Faculty of Education, and 4 response from Faculty of Chemical student. We have learned from the data that we have got that stress can be caused by many things. The most obvious for university students are examinations and assignment deadlines, problems with friendship and relationship, financial problems, perfectionism, and balancing study and life. As we can see in data and graphs, that the students have to go through many difficulties during their study in university, as well as we learned how they deal with the stress. Some of them prefer to sleep, some like to listen to music, and most of gender of males prefer to eat while they feeling stress. However, the loss of stress for the most students between 45 to 2 hours, as a result that many students know how to control their stress very well. Finally, it would be great to do this again in the best way and to know where is our mistake. It was a great opportunity to do this survey as we got a lot of information to become much knowledgeable and wiser to deal with stress in the future.